Hey everyone, welcome back to another Windows Wednesday with Bob's Computer Service. Today we're going to look at how to use Focus Assist in Windows 11. It's a simple tool that helps you stay focused and avoid distractions. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to open up the Start menu either by pressing Start or hitting the Windows key on your keyboard. Then we're going to go to Settings, and on the left hand side we are going to go to System. And on this menu, we are going to go to Focus. This is a great way if you get distracted a lot to minimize any of this distractions. This will stop any notifications and anything that pops up on your screen when you're working. You can set the amount of time to what you want, and it'll have a timer in the upper right hand corner that you can move, and it does give you breaks about every 20 minutes, and once it's done, everything else will open back up and you'll be able to use it as you normally would. If you ever need to stop it ahead of time, you can just go right here and stop focus session, and then you're back to having all your distractions. So if you have if you're easily distracted, this is a great feature for you. And that's it. Focus Assist is a small feature, but really helps cut down on the noise while you're working or relaxing. Give it a try this week and let me know if it helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Windows Wednesday.